How often do you go to the gym? Hardly ever? Or 3 times a week?
Learn how to use adverbs and expressions of frequency in everyday conversation.
Hey Noah, you always ride a bike. Well, not always. I don't ride a bike when it's raining. I almost always ride a bike. I usually ride 50 kilometers a week. Hey Noah, you always ride a bike.
100%. Always equals all the time. 0 exceptions.
Well, not always. I don't ride a bike when it's raining.
The exception.
I almost always ride a bike. The normal routine
50 kilometers.
usually equals the standard routine, a normal week. I usually ride 50 kilometers a week.
80%.
Always. 100%. Almost always. Approximately 90%. Usually. Approximately 80%. Noah usually rides 50 kilometers a week.
50 kilometers? Wow, that's incredible. I often go walking in the park. I sometimes go jogging in the park. Often. Approximately 70%. Sometimes. 20% to 50%.
I hardly ever go to the gym. I prefer quiet activities at home.
I almost never go to the gym and I never exercise in the park. I like to play soccer on the field.
This is Sylvia. She's part of the 10%. I prefer quiet activities at home. Sylvia hardly ever goes to the gym.
5%. Nicholas almost never goes to the gym. 0%. 0%. Nicholas never exercises in the park.
Always. Almost always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Hardly ever. Almost never. Never. Adverbs of frequency normally come before a verb. Subject. Adverb of frequency. Verb. Noah, you always go bike riding. I often go walking in the park. I never exercise in the park. Noah always goes bike riding. I almost never go to the gym. Here is an exception. She is always late. Adverbs of frequency come after the verb to be. I'm a gym rat, so I'm always at the gym. I'm often on the treadmill. And my friends and I are always lifting weights.
Honey, you are always beautiful. But today, you look especially amazing.
Oh, thank you, honey. My boyfriend is always kind to me. He often says nice things to me. I often have a picnic here, and sometimes our friends come too. They're coming today, but they're late. They're always late.
We are often under this tree. We often stay here.
Maya and Clara are wonderful roommates. We usually study together in our dorm. They go to history college, so they always read old books.
That sounds interesting. My girlfriend studies marketing, so she's usually creating advertisements. She often studies a lot.
I sometimes feel very tired, but I always learn a lot. How is your dorm life with Noah and Kevin?
It's great. We usually talk about our classes at night. Kevin and I study cinematography, so we always watch movies for homework. But Noah studies engineering.
Wow, engineering sounds difficult. Does he ever relax?
Yeah, Noah almost always rides his bike to relax.
Hey guys, we are so sorry we are late.
Don't worry. Sit down and relax. Are you hungry? We have a lot of food. Oh, I am very hungry. It's 4 p.m. and I usually eat fruit as a snack this time, but today I want a picnic salad.
Do you eat salad every day?
Yes, I eat salad every day.
How often do you eat salad in the afternoon?
I hardly ever eat salad in the afternoon. I usually eat fruits in the afternoon. How often do you eat fruits and vegetables?
I eat them every day too. I eat lettuce every day. Bananas and apples 4 times a week. And berries 3 times a week.
Hey Clara, do you ever cook?
Yes, but I hardly ever cook. I cook once or twice a week. I usually eat in the cafeteria. I eat in the cafeteria almost every day.
Expressions of frequency. Once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, every day.
Expressions of frequency usually come at the end of a sentence. I eat salad every day. I cook once or twice a week. I eat in the cafeteria almost every day. Let's compare. Adverbs. Go in the middle. I always cook. Expressions. Go at the end. I cook every day. I love sandwiches. I often eat sandwiches. I eat sandwiches very often.
I don't eat sandwiches very often, but I love cookies. Would you like some?
No thanks. I don't like them very much. This is honestly the best picnic ever.
We need to have picnics more often.
I usually drink juice, usually I eat apples. We sometimes eat cake. Eat cake. Sometimes we eat cookies. Oh.
1. I usually drink juice. 2. Usually I eat apples.
3.
We sometimes eat cake. 4. Sometimes we eat cookies. I usually drink juice. Usually I eat apples. You can put usually in the middle of the sentence or at the very beginning. The meaning stays exactly the same. We sometimes eat cake. Sometimes we eat cookies. Just like usually, sometimes is flexible. Move it to the front to add a little variety to your speaking.
We always play board games when we have picnics. Today we have Scrabble, a word game.
Perfect! I am usually lucky with the letters. Let's start. Awesome! Clara and I sometimes play board games together on Friday nights to take a break from our history books. Do you ever play word games, Nicholas?
We usually play board games once a week in our dorm too, but I almost never win. I almost always lose.
Wow, Kevin, you were making a lot of long words.
Well, I almost never lose Scrabble. I play it 3 times a week online.
Wow, you practice a lot. Do you ever lose, Noah?
When I'm on Kevin's team, never. But alone, often.
I don't play Scrabble very often, so I'm not very good at this.
Don't worry, honey. The important is to play, and we play board games very much. I'm always happy when we are together. I want to be with you for the rest of my life. Every year, every month, every day. And I always have fun with my friends. We need to do this more often.
Yes! Let's have picnics at least twice a month.
Do you want to learn more English?